Hello everyone! Welcome to Abram's Home Kitchenette. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Freya. Today, I want to share with you all my family's very own variation of this all-time favorite Filipino dish. Yes, it's my family's pork sinigang with a twist. And why did I say that? Come and join me until the end of this video for you to find out what is a twist. Please note that I have put all the exact measurements of ingredients below the description box. First, prepare and wash all the ingredients needed for this recipe. The string beans, cut it into 2 inches long. The onions and the taro, cut it into quarters. The kangkong or water spinach, separate the leaves from the stems, taking out only the roots. And the star of the show, the red beans, or balatong, as we call it in the Philippines. This type of beans is usually used in desserts, but today we're gonna incorporate this with our dish, which will make it more nutritious. Then prepare the pork meat. Make sure that it's fresh, clean, and of the highest quality meat. I have here a cubed thick belly with a little fat. You can also use spare ribs if you want. Now that all the ingredients are ready, it's time to put 8 cups of water in a pot, putting also the red beans and the onions, and set the fire in a medium-high heat. Let this come to first boil for about 25 minutes. Once it comes to a first boil and the beans are a little tender, put the pork meat. But this time, lower the fire to medium heat and let it simmer, then put the taro. Continue simmering at about 45 minutes until the beans, meat, and the taro are tender enough. While it's simmering, turn down the fire to low heat and put in the string beans and our sinigang mix powder for the sourness. But it's time, the smell is already amazing. Traditionally, we use unripe tamarind or sampalok as Filipinos call it for the soup base of this dish, which is a natural source of vitamins. But since this fruit is not in season all year round, we may use this powdered form of tamarind. And here, I use sinigang mixed with gabi flavor. While the pot is simmering in low heat, we can now season it with salt and fish sauce according to your taste. And you may put the kangkong and okra, then turn off the heat and cover. Let the residual heat cook the vegetable, then it's ready to serve. Actually, this dish is very economical, just in time for this pandemic days. Why? Because you don't need a lot of ingredients to cook this dish. And it's even more healthier because of the red beans. The red beans is you can store up to how many days? You can cook this without tomatoes, without radish, without the green chili. But still, it's good. It's like tomatoes. It can easily spoil your food. So, must try this very nutritious food with your family at home. Also very versatile because you can use salted fish, chicken, shrimp, or even beef. If you enjoyed my video and you find value, please like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any variations of this dish that is unique, and tell me if you want me to make that for you. For now, just enjoy, eat, and love. See you around in my next video.